Hi everyone, welcome back to Atypical Wealth. I'm Aamber Hickman, your South Bay LA realtor here. And today we're touring a beautiful home in Compton, California. And you know I like to share a little bit of the neighborhood with you before we dive in. I'm going to tell you all about this place and this space, but first, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LA South Bay home tours. Right now, we're at the Earvin Magic Johnson Recreational Park, and it is so serene here. Just for a second, I want us to cut the music and just listen. Stunning, right? I mean, just for a second, it doesn't feel like you're in a big city at all. It doesn't feel like you're next to the 105 freeway or anything like that. It's just so peaceful here. You're seeing families out sitting having picnics, people getting their ice cream, and just, you can sit here and just watch the ducks. Are you kidding me? Like, where am I and where is Los Angeles County right now? This is the closest park to your property, so you're gonna love this spot. Less than 5 minutes away from the home we're touring right now. So to get here, we go down a really quiet residential street. You're gonna love the fact that this is closed off on one side, so you only have street traffic coming in from one direction. Did I mention it's quiet? Wow, love that. Okay, so let's take a look at this listing provided to us by CRA Cambry Realty Advisors. Today we're touring a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. We walk up the pathway of this beautifully manicured lawn, and then here's our grand entrance. Look at this place. It has beautiful high ceilings. The insets on the wall, perfect for artwork. So much light, plantation shutters. I already feel at home. The home is just over 1,550 square feet. This home could honestly be an art gallery. There's so many opportunities to express yourself within the walls and the ceilings. It's awesome. This home was built in 1999. It's only had one owner, and it's clearly beautifully maintained. In the entryway, you have a fireplace, and this is actually a double fireplace. You'll see it on the other side of the house as well, in the den. Let's explore the downstairs space first. To our left, we have a closet for storage, we have a washroom, and then we have a 2-car garage. Here downstairs, we have a half bath, perfect for guests to come wash their hands, do their thing, and move about their day. Across the hallway, we have a beautiful dining area that can seat up to 5 or 6 people with the right table here. And just off the dining room area, we have a den and the kitchen. This is your everyday space, and you see that fireplace once again, double fireplace. We have plantation shutters all around this home. Let's check out the kitchen. Beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and fixtures. Love that. We have tile all around here. We have modern timeless cabinets, which is awesome. We have a gas range and a wine fridge, which is awesome. Then we have our backyard space. Let's quickly explore that next before we head upstairs. We have an amazing gazebo with concrete in the backyard, perfect for entertaining here. You can add your own personality. We're gonna go around the side, and you can see this property is fully fenced in. Literal white picket fence happening here. Okay, maybe it's not a picket fence, but you get the idea. Off to the other side of the home, we have another pathway to get to the backyard through the main entryway of the home. You can do a lot with this backyard space. Let's head back inside. We're going upstairs. We're on our way upstairs, and you can see the view from the dining room from the stairs. You're pretty high up here. These ceilings just keep on going. It's beautiful to imagine what you could be looking down at every morning when you wake up. This does not feel like the city, and that's what I love about it. Off to our right, once we come up the stairs, we see extra storage for laundry, towels, you name it. And then we have our first full bathroom here. We see the granite countertops carrying throughout the home, timeless fixtures. We're looking at a shower tub combination here. This bathroom is perfect to be shared amongst the 2 people that will occupy the rooms I'm going to show you next. This room could serve as a small office or a kid's bedroom. We have sliding closet doors, plantation shutters once again. It's a great space to get things done or just have a nice, small, serene space of your own. The next room over, we have another room. This room is definitely big enough for a queen-size bed. I recommend mounting your TV, but we have the sliding glass closet doors once again, and then we're off to the main bedroom. The main bedroom is massive. We have lots to work with here. The main bedroom features double closets here, so you have plenty of storage, no need to fight. We have a dual vanity here, 2 sinks, and a closed off bathroom here for privacy. We have another tub and shower combo here. So glad you got to see this beautiful Compton home here with me today. If you want to know more about this home, go ahead and reach out to me. My information is right here, and if you want to go directly to this listing, go ahead and check the description. You'll see more information about the home, listing agent's information as well. I'd be happy to give you a tour myself if you're ever in the Los Angeles, South Bay area. You can contact me for information about this home or similar homes nearby. I'm happy to help. This is Aamber Hickman, your LA South Bay Realtor. Be sure to like and subscribe for more amazing home tours right here in the South Bay LA area. I'll see you on the next one.